This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the 1st of October. We're in the new month. And it's Sunday morning. And look at that. There's nobody at the church. Hallelujah. And here's our little crows. I don't see hardly any pigeons. I don't understand that. Except that they've been poisoned. We'll see how many turn up. Usually Sunday, the pigeon handler always lets them out on Sunday. I really don't get that. But don't forget, the Mormons, they, oh. Now who is that? Who is that? That's someone. I wonder why he went through here. You see that black Mercedes Humdinger? He actually is the manager of Hayfully, but he didn't, he didn't go into his business. He just drove around here. That is really odd, right? I think he wanted to see what I was doing. Wow. Stalking, right? I recognized him in the Mercedes, right? Oh my goodness. Well, I know that old couple there are not going to Clever Fit. They're not going there to work out. What in the world are they doing? Cleaning the car, maybe.
That's what they're doing.
Yeah. There we go. We're a little bit late today. I think it's closer to 10:30. We would have been out here earlier. Yeah. It's a guy with his little dog. It's foggy this morning. We have upper level fog.
Yes.
And
Overcast.
Overcast. There we go. Okay, now we're going to go to the field. I don't see any seagulls. I do not see any seagulls at all. So, no Seymour, no gulls. No gulls right now.
I can't explain it.
No. Well, a lot of times they don't come on Sunday. He hasn't figured it out yet. But the last 2 Sundays, he did figure it out. Okay? Anyway, got a heavy dew on the grass this morning. It was actually chilly, but it's supposed to burn off, but we'll see. I mean, usually October and November are usually very foggy here. And December, depending on how cold it gets, can be foggy too. But if the temperatures start dropping, then we can have blue sky without fog if it's very cold. There we go, guys. All right. There we go. Put this down here. Oh, I'm so glad the church people aren't here. Interfere with our little guys. Oh, it's a blessing. Actually. There is a little bit of grain here everywhere. Left over here. So, whoop, looks like I stepped on an egg there. Okay. There we go, guys. It's nice to see just the crows, because it won't be long before the gulls catch on to the morning feedings, which as soon as the weather turns, gets a little colder. It's supposed to be relatively mild this week. We'll see what happens. I'm just looking at that girl over there. Was that the same girl who was here the other day? She's got her hair pulled back this time. I'm not sure. Listen to those wonderful sounds of our little crows. Get in there, Rocky. I think I see Rocky. Get in there. That's it. Good boy. I see about 30 crows here. Should be close to 50. Oh, there's some over there. Maybe 40. Not many, right? Had close to 200 here 3 years ago. This is what we got left. And believe me, they would be here. I think the most I've ever counted here was about 50 crows when all of them showed up. We had a few cold days there in September. So, here's some guys here, but no pigeons. Very odd. Very odd that there's no pigeons. Sunday's the one day the pigeon handler let out the pigeons. I swear that church is poisoning them. Also, this shopping center is poisoning the pigeons, for sure. There used to be a couple pigeons always in the parking lot. I drove through the other day. There are no pigeons anymore. Or none. Okay? They just keep poisoning the birds. It's just unbelievable how they're poisoning birds. By the way, a lot of time the foxes come through here in the night. And if they threw down poison, the foxes get poisoned as well. Or if they throw it on the field. Okay? Or the back parking lot. Foxes also get poisoned. Okay? By the way. And the cats. There was a white cat roaming here and I don't see it anymore. Could be gone. Could also have been poisoned. Okay, let's see what we got left here. And we got another peanut here. Another cashew. Here we go. We got little kiwi here. Not many of them. Look. Not many. 5 or 6. We had as many as 10, 15 one time, but they're not here anymore. Gone, poisoned. Gone. If they don't come, they're always the same group, okay? And they keep diminishing in numbers. Obviously, where are they going? Where are they going? Are they getting food somewhere else? No. No. They can't come. They can't come back from the dead. Okay? They're throwing poison out here all over the place. And like I say, according to BirdLife, it's something that's been happening in the Kreuzlingen area for many, many, many decades. And they had complaints here about poisonings of cats and birds long before I came to Switzerland. So put that in your pipe and smoke it. Okay? Go ahead, guys. Right now we're having a pretty good feeding. Not too many people out this morning, but if the sun burns off this high-level fog, it probably he flew in there just like Charlie used to fly. But obviously it's not Charlie. But that's just how Charlie used to fly. Just like that. Yeah. Gosh, I still think about Charlie every day. Just still heartbroken. Anyway. Oh no. We have this bird hater with his dog. But this dog doesn't chase the birds. Right? But still. Just can't get away from these people and their dogs. I don't know what to say. And they're never on the leash. What is going on here? Okay? You see, the birds are not flying away from this dog because he's never chased the birds. Right? Unlike the chow chow that we saw yesterday. That was a problem. I purposely think she came, chased the birds, and then she went back again. I mean, she really didn't walk the dog, did she? No, she did not. For me, that was on purpose. So it certainly looked like it. Okay. See, he's not sicking the dog on the birds. He's watching the birds. Here you go, guys. Got some more of this.